HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art. Hello kids! For a yummy pineapple, draw a curved U shape. For the crown, let's draw little triangles, just like that. And the last step, cover the pineapple with slanted, curvy lines. And now, let's do the same to make a crisscross pattern. This is so much fun, and drawing a pineapple is super easy. Let's add the final touches by making more triangles for the crown. And done! Time to paint. Let's start with the color gold. We're going to make a fun, colorful pineapple. So now let's use some pink. And now some green. Some purple will be great too. Orange will look perfect. And now some cyan. And let's not forget red. Wow! Let's use green for the crown. We did such a great job! Woohoo! Look at all the pretty colors. A yummy and healthy pineapple. Hope you had fun! Hello kids! Today we're gonna draw a yummy, healthy strawberry. First, draw one curvy line and then another. Join them both at the top with a small stem. Now for the leaf. Just draw a line of small triangles. Yes, just like that. Time to draw the seeds. Let's do a nice, neat outline. And now we begin to color in. A bright red for your yummy strawberry. Painting is so much fun. And for the stem, let's go with a light green. We're almost done. And here it is. A lovely red strawberry. Hope you had fun. Hi kids! What gives you energy and is one of the yummiest fruits ever? A banana! Let's draw 3 bananas. Let's give this a nice dark outline. Time for some magic! Let's start painting. A bright yellow color for the bananas. Leave some space in all the bananas. We'll get to that soon. Did you know that monkeys love to eat bananas? Good! Nice and neat. Now, wouldn't it be awesome to use light yellow for the spaces we left? Blend both the colors well. A little touch-up. We're almost there. Looking good! Done with the bananas. Let's use olive green for the stem of the banana. Color the tips of the banana with an olive green too. Wow! This is making me hungry. Good thing we're done. Our bananas are now ready. Hi kids! Starting with cauliflower. Draw a cloud-like shape and the stem. Super easy. And now color with green. Nice and neat. Fill it in. Vegetables are super healthy. A light green for the stem. Add some details with a lighter shade of green. Here is our yummy cauliflower. Delicious and healthy. Let's draw a carrot, a cloud shape and a cone shape. How easy was that? Color in with orange. And green for the leafy stem. Don't forget the details. That looks amazing. Rabbits love to eat carrots. A yummy carrot. Let's draw some corn, an oval shape and the husk below. And now color it green. It's super easy. Yellow for the seeds. and a lighter yellow. Draw lines like this to show all the seeds. Some more detailing. Yay! Yummy corn! Draw a curvy line like this, leaves and a stem on the top. Can you guess what fruit this is? A tomato! Color with green. And with red. Some more detailing, just like that. It looks so juicy and delicious. Tomato! Time to draw some peas. A curvy long line joined at both ends, little circles for the peas. Let's color it in with some light green. A different shade of light green for the peas. A little bit of dark green to color in the empty space. Details are important, don't forget them. Looks great! Delicious peas! I love pea soup. Don't you? Hope you had a fun time drawing and coloring, and of course, learning about all the vegetables that are healthy. Are you ready to draw? Let's begin. For the broccoli, draw a curved line, one at the bottom too. Draw the head with V shapes and connect them with a curved line to the bottom. Draw the eyes and the pupil and color them in. He looks great. Draw eyebrows and a wide grin for our happy little broccoli. Now connect the V shapes with little curved lines and draw a cloud-like shape for his head. Yes, just like that. Now come the yummy peas. Start with a small circle, eyes and a happy grin. Our cute pea is jumping with joy. Now draw the pod with a curvy line on one side and a wavy line on the other. And in the same way, draw the other peas as well. Wasn't that easy? Let's make our masterpiece better with a nice and neat outline. Yes, just keep going. Now comes the best part. Let's color in. Begin coloring the broccoli with a dark green color. coloring is my favorite. Mr. Broccoli already looks great. For the stalk, let's use a light green shade. Here we go. Broccoli is very healthy and so tasty too. Don't you agree? Add some blue to his eyes. And orange for the mouth. Great! For the peas, use a light green color and begin coloring. Aren't they the cutest little peas? And lastly, let's color the pod with a dark green color. Woohoo! We're done! And here they are, kids, the yummiest broccoli and the happiest peas.